So guess what the ex-wife did? You want to tell them?
You locked the keys in my
How
car.
did I do it?
Because you were the last one in there.
Well, luckily she left the sunroof open. So I guess I'm going to take this to this. And maybe pop the light. How to break into my vehicle right here, 101.
If we had a wire hanger, we could just get my purse though.
Well, if you had the keys in your pocket, we wouldn't be doing this at all. Yeah, where's that hammer at? We'll probably need it. They do. Some folks get it, catch on to it, some folks don't. A lot of people, you know, they'll catch it. Some folks don't ever catch it.
That's cool.
Enough that it don't fall off. Then we'll have a locked wrench in there and keys and my phone.
Then my damn ex-wife and lock my keys up in my Camaro.
You only had to slip back.
Hey, that's
I know.
the ex-wife right there.
Huh.
Well, that's why you can't have nothing nice that makes life.
I know.
We should play him in our video.
I've got 3 of them. So I know all
That's
about it.
3 ex-wives. Well, I'm working on my second one.
Are you?
Because we're engaged.
What do you think?
He's
No offense. No offense.
He's a slow learner.
Yeah, I'm a window.
I should be the one asking myself that.
I appreciate it. Here's, I'm getting
I've
your
got,
car.
I've got a cousin that's 100 years old that's actually got a real nice
Really?
burgundy car. Really pretty. It's all new.
There's all the social media stuff on there. MJ, you getting him a sticker?
Now, where you all at?
Actually, just put it
About 2
down.
hours.
Okay.
My stickers are locked in the car.
No worries.
Who done bought it?
Who would have thunk?
Dodge burn. I heard the Dodge.
Most people don't. That's the reason I say everybody knows me.
I live in Asheville, so I get all
No,
that.
Tennessee man.
Oh.
Not Nashville, Asheville.
Oh, Asheville.
Okay. Well, they say getting back.
Well,
Heading to
3 of us is
Brisbane
going to be anyways.
tomorrow. You go at the wall?
I ain't. I'll ride with you.
I'll see y'all.
Thank you.
Do you need me to do that?
I need somebody to guide me.
Me.
I need Bobby. Can you see that?
Not really.
It's in the middle.
Under the radio.
You don't even know where the lock is.
Damn, I need that towel. Thanks, Wesley.
At least I brought towels.
Yeah. Was you planning this shit, too?
Never know.
My phone's in there too.
Yeah. 6 inches short.
That's what she said.
Yeah, I know.
I thought that's what you were doing.
I locked it back, didn't I? Did you hear that? I unlocked it and locked it back.
Well, now it's your fault that the keys are locked in there. All right, grab my purse, Bobby. It's behind the seat, that little black purse. All right.
Get the keys.
I didn't lock the keys in there. You have anything else you want to say? I left the sunroof open, so.
Jack Daniels.
got any last words to say?
Thanks, dear. I love you.
I love you too.